This one? This is
Come here,
tuber for potato, na?
come here. You stay here, and you can see nice.
Now it's already dry. Morning time you get her potato, na? Oh, it's time now to. Mashallah. Rosana, she can remember last year. Mashallah. This is only one tree, one tuber, na?
Mashallah,
Mashallah, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Organic potatoes.
This is the way to remove, you know. Because if you did not remove by care, it become, you know.
This one also, it's now ready.
See here.
Must be care, no? So that cannot be broke. But this is already broke na. You see? It's okay, no problem. Now, no need for us to buy potato.
Yeah, inshallah.
Na?
Yeah.
Because we have already our own potatoes. Now dry already.
Yeah, it's, once tree is dry, you can remove.
Mashallah. That's one I told you before, that sweet potato. Why we cannot find this one, how to plant here? I like really this sweet potato. Eh? Sweet potato.
Yeah. I don't know.
Same also to plant, no? Maybe this potato.
Yeah.
There is also sunflower here, but still small.
This one potato like that. You see the seeds? Just you keep back here.
Small one?
Yeah.
Then can be grow by self.
Yeah.
Ayan, yun, there are this small.
Yun, I know.
Eh?
Yun, I know.
Yun, I know.
Plant here for next year this one.
And they can buy.
This is the way.
Can grow by self.
Yeah.
Ayan. Morning time, too much also you get morning.
Yeah.
Hybrid cucumbers.
I want to make this just.
Eh?
Just you want, then I want you to make here. Enough this one, how you can get, because you have already been in house.
Yeah, okay. Enough this one, because how many kilo you get morning? Maybe 5 kilo, more than 5 kilo. Na?
Yeah,
Mashallah. So I put now this one here. Ayan, may nahulog naman sanas. Hinulog ng ng uwak. Mga uwak, tiyan gider, mga pasaway. How we can control this one, tiyan gider dar na to come? To eat all these fruits or apples or anything. Tiyan gider.
You have to stay here or you put
Then?
your dress there. You see, come here, I show you now. The seeds of plum.
Seeds of what?
This is seeds for plum.
Plum?
Yeah, you see? I want to keep this one for seeds.
Mashallah.
Yeah, this is for next year. I have planted here.
You plant this one here, plum?
Yeah. I have too much, but only one come.
You see how big, very big, mashallah, this plum. Very big leaves.
Come, we go there beside.
This one also sunflower. But late to give flowers, this sunflower. All this potato here, Dar. Oh, all this potato, it's already dry.
From here to until corner, Dar.
From here, this potato, and up to that corn. So all potatoes. This one we have to harvest.
Go back.
But this one is there, no? This one potato, oh.
Still not dry now.
This one all dry. So it's ready now to harvest this potato here. From there in that corn. Last week of this month, you have to harvest all. But these are already ordered. Already ordered these potatoes. This one just now my husband he get from the field. Fresh from the field, from the garden. Organic vegetables today I will cook because my brother-in-law he want this organic vegetables because after 2 days they're going back now to Germany. And also this one very big eggplant, you see. So I will fry this one and some cucumbers and what is more here in shopper. Oh, this one. Oh, this is organic potato. First, first time my husband he get this one. So we mix some potato here in green vegetables. Ayan, mashallah. You see, this is organic potato. All organics. Mashallah. Now we save to buy from the market. New harvest potato. How many tubers, Dario?
Maybe 3 to 4 trees in there.
Ah, wow. So you, and this one also. Wow, of Allah, very big this one. This is hybrid na?
Yes.
Oh, tomato. Because how many days we did not get?
What do you want to cook tomorrow? Dobri or dalula?
I don't know.
There is not. You can't get there. You will get time for me.
Eh?
After that,
Okay.
what do you want to cook?
What is there? That one circle or what? I
There is kaddu.
eh? Okay. My husband there, he come from down because I tell him we don't have to cook. So this potato, if vegetable, this one no more.
Soya dhania methi I get.
He said this coriander leaves and rosemary. And what is more? Spinach, palak, methi also. What you want?
That's okay, no? Soya dhania methi and potato.
Okay. There is pumpkin there and but he said like vegetables mixed with this organic potato. Mashallah. This one organic there. Potato. Eh?
You see, very big also, no? Because I get advance now.
What what?
I get advance now. Still, there is too much time to get.
Mm.
But we can get for us now.
No, we put in sun this so that remove this yung ano yung lupa niya. Oh. Kasi kabubongkal lang. Tomatoes. Every day there is tomatoes. Then how many days you did not get tomatoes? Langga. Langga heat. I will remove. Hikit chili. I will remove.